leaf, rubber band pasting and leaf impression. Today, we will make this beautiful picture. First, take some leaves and dip them in green watercolor. Give leaf impression on the leaves. Now, color the petals of the flowers. Then start pasting the tea leaves at the center of the flowers. And paste small size rubber bands on the petals as shown in the picture. Our picture will look like this once it gets completed. Paper collage. Tear small pieces of glazed paper and paste these small pieces of paper on the turnips like this. Make sure that the pieces of glazed paper are pasted inside the outlines of the turnips. See, these turnips look natural.